Okay, I went ahead and made the settings changes to number 8 and number 2. That seemed to fix the display issues. I still don't seem to have iDrive control. When I press that, nothing happens. You can see nothing. I also did the headphone test with the Beats. As I plugged into the cable, I did hear sound coming out into the headphones. But yet when I turn on the radio here, that is still just FM radio. That's AM radio. I'm going to turn it back down, and I'll also show you that even though I have this plugged in, if I go back to music, sorry, I'm trying to hold this. As soon as I press that, it goes away instantly, blips away. But I'll go ahead and go over here to music. There's a little bitty speaker back in here that was for the car GPS that it's coming out of. So go back to settings, factory. I'll put the code in again. Going through all the various settings here. If I go to vehicle, he told me to try aux switching mode manual and other. Just want you to see it set there. I tried both knob A and knob B. It doesn't really seem to fix my iDrive. Car display is now on 8, as you guys said. That did fix that. You told me to put it on 2 for CAN, new CAN. So that's what I did. UI configuration is AVIN 8. See, 311's playing on the monitor here, but I've got Christmas music on that's coming out of the CIC device. So yeah, not making progress like I had hoped here, but I can't confirm sound is coming out of the headphones, and so I'm gonna look at your email again and see what you guys say about that. And I'll send this up to you, and hopefully you guys can come up with something else for me.